Hello and welcome. This is Gulshad Ansari, and in this video I am going to teach you how to create architectural floor in Autodesk Revit. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go the floor plans where you want to create architectural floor. For me, I want to create a floor on ground floor. So double click here ground floor and go to architectural tab and click here floor architectural, and now you have to select any floor from properties palette, or you can modify it or you can make duplicate it. So select any floor and click here edit type. You can see the preview for this floor. Click here preview, and now if you want to edit the structure for this floor, click here edit. You can change here the thickness for this floor. You can give any number of thickness is here, and if you want to give a material for this floor, you can click on this small button and you can select any material from here from material browser. I want the concrete, so I will search here. I want this material on this floor, so select this one and click OK. Now this is concrete cast in suit, and if you want to add more layer on this floor, you can add easily. Click here insert and give the thickness here. I want to give it 50 mm, and if you want to give any material here, click here. I want to give the ceramic tiles. Click OK. Now OK, and you can select from the properties palette where you want to create this floor and what is the offset from level. So I want to create it ground floor at 0 level, and now you can draw your floor from here. You can draw by line, rectangle, circle, anything you want, and you can also pick the lines and the walls. So I want to pick the walls. Click here and give the offset value if you want. So I want the 3000 offset value from the walls, and if you bring your cursor at any wall, you can see the preview for the floor edge. And now without clicking anywhere, if I bring my cursor here and hit the tab key in your keyboard, now it will select all walls with connecting with this and click OK. Now you can see we have created our floor edge. Now you can click here finish edit mode, and it's very simple. You can see we have created a floor, and you can see also in 3D view. If you want to create it at first floor, if you want to create same floor, you can copy paste. If you want to create same, click here copy and click select and copy from the modify tab. Click here copy, and you can use also Ctrl C in your keyboard and click here align to selected level, and where you want to paste this floor. I want to paste it at first floor, so I will select here first floor, then click OK. Now you can see we have copied this floor at the first floor. If you want to create new floor, you can create very easily. You will go at first floor and you can create here architectural floor from here. So now you can see we have copied this floor, and if you want to attach the walls with this floor, now wall is going above this floor. You will see in any elevation view, you can see if you will select wall, now my wall is going to above the floor edge. If you want to connect, it is bottom, it's bottom floor, so I will select the all walls like this, and now you can see I have selected all my walls in this level, and click here attach top base. Click, and which part you want to attach, top or base? I want to attach the top part with this floor, so click on this floor. Now you can see we have attached my walls below the floor. So it's very simple and easy to create any architectural floor in Autodesk Revit. If you want to make any shaft in this floor, you can make it very easy. So I want to create any here opening part in this floor at first floor. So I will go at first floor plan, and now I will select this architectural floor and click here edit boundary. Now where you want to create any opening, create any shape from here. I want to create a rectangle, where I want to create a rectangle here. It's very simple. Create rectangle here and click here finish edit mode, and it will show the message. If you want to attach the walls below the floors, click here attach. If you don't want, click here don't attach. So I want to attach, I will click here attach. Now you can see in the 3D view also we have created an opening in this floor. It's very simple and easy. So using this method you can create any architectural floor in your project. In the next video I will teach you how to create roof in your project. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and give your feedback in comment box. See you in the next video. Thank you.